Mama.
Hello, everyone. Hey guys, game room transformation has begun, so we're starting with the furniture store to try to find a bed for Miles and Marshall, but they ended up just finding some snacks instead. This furniture store has popcorn and drinks. All right, our next stop is Living Spaces. Had a little Taylor Swift moment. Ooh, I think that's the one. This furniture store has an indoor playground, which is super cool for any little ones that are bored.com. All right, so we're taking down the old beds, and Big Brother is taking big steps in dismantling this bed. Good job, Bubs. Okay, I'm going in. I thought I could move this dresser by myself, but it was heavier than I thought. And look what I found underneath. Pokemon cards. Just a quick vacuum, and let's move these mattresses out. And guess where we ordered these from? Amazon, and they were pretty big and sturdy. And somebody has found foam, looking like they're from Star Trek. I got the closet nice and tidy and even found a brand new pair of shorts. Now, putting these LED dressers together was no easy feat, but me and Mr. Malone knocked it out and got it done. Whew, I'm tired. But in the meantime, I saw this very relevant Bluey cartoon about getting a new room.
Okay, that's it. Thanks, big fella. Don't call me big fella. Hey, big fella, can you move my bed? Oh, man.
All right, dresser number 1 is coming along. Almost got it. We did it. And we had to order these special brackets to be able to put the cabinets on the wall to make it look like, well, this. Bed frames have now been delivered. Shout out to Buzz for building the box frames. And I found these super cool mattress protectors, one in gray and one in white.
Okay, so I'm going to try out this new mattress pad here. Let's see the fabric. Ooh, you hear that? It's a little staticky, but nice material. So show you that terry cloth. What a great find on Amazon.com.
And this is great for protecting the mattress, but also for those sneaky times they want to bring drinks upstairs and waste it on the beds.
Shout out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Looky. Gamer bedding. Okay, let me show you how cool it looks. All right, so I ordered these 3Ms stickies, and I'm going to put that on the back here. Okay, here we're gonna just make sure that's nice and stable up there.
And here's me being silly, but the final reveal. How'd it turn out? Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe.